boy Will FM, and y'all feel with me. And we back with another video, you know what I'm saying? But as you see by the thumbnail, bro, we finna be hopping on Monkey. And I ain't gonna lie, I haven't been on Monkey in like probably like since I was 13. So it's been a real crazy minute. Like that's like 10 years, I'm not gonna lie. So haven't been on Monkey in a good minute. I'm finna be getting on there, asking boys and girls questions. Now I'm not gonna say questions. I'm gonna say a question, and probably other than that, I'm probably have a little conversation with a girl or a boy somewhere in the video, and letting people shout their stuff out, giving out their social media, just in case y'all want to go. You know what I'm saying? See what they doing and stuff like that. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? We finna get straight into it. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Thank y'all for coming back and watching my videos. Thank you for subbing. Thank you for everything. Road to 400. And let's get it. I'll see y'all in the vid. Peace. Yo, what's good with you, bro?
Bro, why is your camera so nice?
He said, why my camera so nice? I don't know, bro. I got a question for you. Though.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Say, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it, and what would you say to it? To like,
parrot?
Yeah.
I would teach it. Look, I would teach it like how to like sing or something.
Sing? What would you tell it to sing though?
I don't know. I would sing like a little like the weekend song or something like that.
Okay.
What would you do? What would you like? Go back to you. What would you do?
I'll probably tell the parrot to. I'll probably tell it to sing like a Drake song or something. Would you tell like the parrot to say anything? Like anything. It don't matter what it is. Like what would you tell a parrot to say to someone?
Say something. Yo, what's up? It's good.
Yo, what's up? Okay. Well, I'm gonna send you a request, bro, cause I'm doing a YouTube thing right now. So appreciate you, bro. Appreciate
What's
you.
your YouTube? What's your YouTube?
It's a Will FM.
Alright, I'll look it up.
Alright, bet. Yo, what's good?
Look at something, man.
Looking at. Yo, what's good?
Ooh, hey.
Yo, you wildin'. Hey, I got a question for you though.
That dude looks from New York.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Good, bro.
What's good? I got a question for you boys.
What's up?
Y'all ready?
Yeah, he's gonna see.
All right. If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say?
I'd probably teach him like say something if like somebody was like knocking on the door or something like that. Yeah.
What would you teach it to say though?
I don't know, like there's an at the door. I don't know, freaking like if there's a white bitch, I say like teach him to say fuck you, white bitch. Like this is look, he's white as hell. Look.
Yo, that one was funny. Yo, what's good?
Good.
You good? You straight?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Yo, bro, what am I running into, bro? Yo, what's good?
What up, gang?
What's good with y'all? I got a question for y'all boys.
What up, streamer?
I got a question for y'all, though.
Hey, chat. Any females on her, I eat ass, guys. All you gotta do is drop your number. I eat your ass on the balcony. Hey, any trannies on this bitch, nigga? I suck toes and balls, nigga. Hey, get right.
Yo, what's good with you, bro?
What's good, gangster?
Bro, what you playing, bro?
Shit, I'm just on YouTube right now.
YouTube, bro. You might as well subscribe to me, bro.
Shit, what's your channel?
Will FM.
I don't really do it right now.
All right, but I got a question for you though.
Yeah.
If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say to people?
No, nigga. No, bro. That's all.
Why would you tell it to say that though?
Cause like people weird as shit. So if you just had a little jump, that could be like, you ain't even gotta say shit.
Yeah.
Somebody ask you a question, that bitch, no, nigga. Good. You get me? All times. I don't like talking either.
Nah, facts. Hey, is it anything you wanna shout out your social media or anything before I go on to the next person, bro?
Yeah, y'all go follow me at purplerain.444 on Instagram. Yeah.
I bet. Appreciate you, bro.
Alright, no problem.
I bet. Yo, what's good with you?
Cool. Okay.
You good?
I'm so hot right now, bro.
You got AC? Hey, I got a fan for you right here. Type shit. Feel me? Like if you hot, I
Nobody.
hear. You don't even know what to say.
I don't need nothing from nobody.
But you hot though. You need air on your body. You said you're hot and you itching. You good?
I'm not itching.
You not itching?
Look how fine this nigga is.
Yo, I gotta.
Yeah, he's literally so sexy. No, you couldn't see it. But like,
Yo, what's good?
I ain't about to do that shit.
What's good with you, bro?
What's good, bro? Look at him. Weird, right?
Yeah, that's crazy. But hey, I got a question for y'all though.
in my packet.
Yo, bro.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
But I got a question though. So look, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Bitch.
I would teach you to say.
So when my parents, like, if I'm like talking to them,
Yeah.
mad, I can
Yeah.
be like, I can say a command word. I'll be like, yo, and it says a word.
I would say.
Gotcha.
I would say. I'll make
Be
it say.
like, well, that wasn't me. That was the parrot.
I'll make sure to say hater alert, that nigga hating. Because listen, if I have that parrot on my shoulder, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, you a hater. That's gonna be the command word. Like hater alert, that nigga a hater alert.
You funny, bro.
Hater alert.
All right, since I answered my question, bro, is there any social media or anything you would like my subscribers to follow you on if they want to follow you?
TikTok.
Instagram.
Shout out your Instagram and TikTok, bro.
YB_better.
Get your lame ass.
Bro.
You a YB fan?
A little bit.
You a YB fan, bro?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, look. I got something for you right here. Gun to your head. Sing a rapper YB lyric line right now. Gun to your head. Hey, bro, wait. Before you start, bro, act like you putting the gun to his head. All right, now go.
It's a parade inside my city, yeah. Ash shaking Jew, yeah. Exactly.
All right, what's your TikTok, bro?
Alright, this is TikTok.
All right, they see it.
Hold up. Go to this, please, bro. Go to Instagram. Bro,
Bro, just say your Instagram, bro.
Because I don't have my phone right now, so I'm gonna let him just show it.
Bro,
Just go. Come on, bro. Bro, just go to text message.
that's what I'm blaming.
Alright.
You got text message?
On Instagram.
YB. Oh, your name is really YB Better Ja. All right, bro.
Underscore job. And
I got it. They got it. They got it, bro.
alright.
Hey, I appreciate y'all for answering my question, bro. And I catch y'all. Hey, my YouTube Will FM. So go make sure y'all go
What's your
subscribe,
YouTube?
bro.
I'm on subscribe.
Will FM is WILL and then FM.
Will at fam.
Will FM.
Will FM. Hold on, I'm gonna look it on the TV.
All right, bro.
Make sure we got it. Alright, Will F.
No. Will FM all together.
Oh.
He got you. You got like the name right though, but it's all together. It should be like a person with like a blue hoodie on. Yeah, that's me. That's me, bro. That's me.
Let me see.
Damn, you got a lot of subscribers.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm just trying to grind, bro.
You know, once you get 1,000, you could get paid.
Yeah.
What is it? FN?
FM.
W's, bro. W's. W people, bro. See, look. This is why you gotta get on Monkey, bro. Feel me? That's why y'all gotta get on Monkey, bro.
Oh my god, bro. You're the thing.
Nah, I ain't famous yet, bro. I'm trying though.
Never seen that.
I don't want to be famous though. Just want to be satisfied.
Yeah, bro. You have some. I like your wall. I'm never gonna count.
Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Hey, appreciate y'all for answering my question and appreciate y'all time, bro.
I'll
Y'all-
come on the banger video.
Y'all probably finna see y'all in the see yourselves in the video, so thank y'all for that, bro.
Like and subscribe right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why would you must don't like people, bro?
No, I don't.
Get your life together. Fuck is you talking about? I said if you had a pet period, what would you teach it to say and why?
A pet period?
Harry.
Oh.
Yeah, pet period.
What would you say and why? What would you teach it to say? Don't say anything stupid.
It could be anything. It could be anything. What'd you say?
I like a tattoo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your teeth look off.
See, my teeth look off. My teeth off for real?
Yo,
Yo, what's good?
what's good? You gang?
What's good with you, bro? I got a question for y'all boys.
What up, man?
So, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Nigga.
Bro. Yo, what would you say, bro?
You said what?
I said, what would you say, bro? No,
Shit.
he already answered the question. I'm talking about you.
Who, me? Platypus.
Platypus?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so I'm doing a YouTube video, so if you would like to say any social media you got, shout out anything you got, bro. Go ahead and let them know.
YouTube channel, though?
Me?
Yeah.
It's Will FM, all together.
Will FM. I'm gonna subscribe to you. Hey, go follow Will Cam 1K on the ground.
Alright. Anything else, bro? Y'all want to shout out anything else? Alright, bet. Catch y'all. Thank y'all for answering the question, bro.
For sure.
For real? You're lying.
Yeah.
You lying?
No.
How you?
I
How?
seen a bunch of people- What?
Wait, say what you was finna say?
I said, I've seen a bunch of people that look like you, but as soon as you said your channel, I was like, damn, I know who he is.
Thank you. You don't know me. Fuck. Come on, bro.
Hello?
Yo, what's good?
What you on?
What you mean when I'm on? What you on? What you on?
Not shit.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What up, dude?
Bro, you rolling that blunt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Get right. Get right. Get right. Get right. Get right. But yo, why you getting high and shit like that? But I got a question for you, bro.
What's good?
So if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
If I had a pet parrot,
Yeah.
I honestly would never get one. I'm just like, wait.
That's what's up, bro. Keep smoking your weed. Yo, what's good with you?
What's good, man?
What's good with y'all, bro? What's good with y'all? I mess with y'all background, bro.
Huh? Wait, pause. What?
I mess with the background, like the galaxy.
Oh, I thought you said you was looking into our background. I'm finna say you on some FBI shit, man.
Nah. But yo, I got a question for y'all.
For sure.
So if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Bitch, that's my favorite word.
All right.
Anything I love.
Nah, I believe you, bro. But what would you say, bro?
I don't know. See, my favorite word. Yeah, that's my favorite word. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you.
You know what I tell the parrot to say?
What?
You need a fucking fade, man. Oh no, I'm playing. So I got a question for y'all.
I'm listening.
If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Bro. All right, what else?
Why? You said why?
Yeah.
Because if company come over and they talking too much, I'm gonna be like, parrot, say it. And he's gonna say, nigga, shut the fuck up.
Got you, bro. I got you.
Man, what the hell?
Anybody else, bro?
Nah, I tell my parent. Nah, I teach my parent how to say. I don't know. Why you asking that question, bro?
You got a parrot?
Nah, I don't got a parrot, bro.
It was just a question you just had in mind.
Yeah, just the question.
Bro, would you quit spamming these damn words?
Nah, I don't even know. I ain't
All right, so look, I'm doing a video for YouTube, and if you got any socials you wanna call out or anything, go ahead and do it right now.
Okay. Hey, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
You gotta subscribe to me. Sub for a sub, bro. Huh? It's Will FM all together.
Hold on.
And I get the notification, so I'll follow you back ASAP, bro. I ain't one of them. You feel me?
What is it?
Will FM all together.
How you spell it?
WILL FM.
My bad.
I was like,
It's you?
yeah, that's me, bro. Alright, bet. I just got the noti, bro. So I'm finna I'm gonna show you proof that I'm about to call it. Wait, matter of fact, what's your name? What's your YouTube name?
I'll click you.
Can you spell it for me?
Hold on.
You don't know your own YouTube name, bro? Oh, hell no.
Every 30 days you get.
L.
Wait, what'd you say? Say it. Al? I'll, bro, spell it, bro. Spell it, bro. I apostrophe, bro, just spell it, bro. Just like, don't say no extra stuff. ILL. ILL. CLIP. YOU. I clip you. This is on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
I clip you.
It should.
I don't see you, bro.
This is what it should look like.
You really got an apostrophe in your name? What the
Yes.
fuck?
That was autocorrect.
Let me see if Alexis is, bro.
It really was.
I thought that made it too.
All right, bro. I found you.
You the one with your ready too.
Yep.
All right, bet.
Damn. That bitch not up either.
Got you, bro. Appreciate you
You
for
know how
following
to
me, bro.
come, bro.
Yeah, appreciate you. Appreciate you for subbing, bro. For real, for real.
All right, bro.
Y'all have a good one. Straight like that.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yo.
What's the word?
Yo, you good?
Well, I'm good.
For real?
Yeah.
Why
I
you?
like your smile.
What'd you say?
I like your smile, nigga.
Appreciate. Damn, appreciate it. I couldn't say thank you yet. You feel me? Like,
My bad.
oh, you good? So look, yo, what's good with you, gang?
What's up, gang?
Get your ugly ass.
Mm-hmm.
You finna get zooted, bro?
Yeah, brother.
Hell yeah. Feel you. Hey, so look, I got a question for you, bro.
Yeah.
All right, so if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
You said what?
I said, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why? Yo,
What's going on, sir?
what you on, twin?
Yeah, I'm chilling, dude. On my break. I'm on my lunch break.
You on your lunch break?
Yeah, I'm a yard worker. I'm a landscaper. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
What
I
what
just took
what?
some of my medicine this morning. You know, I'm very pumped up to do more. It's just really hot outside. It's 90 degrees, so gotta wait.
And they got you with a hoodie on, bro?
There's so much poison ivy out there, dude. I gotta do what I gotta do, you know?
Hell yeah. Like
Dude, if
it
you're
look
not
like
putting
you
it,
don't.
if you get
It
poison
don't
ivy,
look
that
like.
shit sucks.
It look like you don't need to go. You don't need to go back, bro. It look like you hurting.
I'm chilling, dude.
You
2
chilling? You
months of
chilling?
Adderall. On my ADHD, man. I'm chilling, dude. I'm ready for this shit. There's just so many fucking bugs and shit, but I don't really care, to be honest.
Got you. So look, I got a question for you, bro.
Yeah, so.
If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Pet pear. Let's say I teach it to say hello. How are you doing today? The reason why is because it would be a good welcome each time you won't run into your room. It would be like a welcoming. But you want the pear to fucking say it in an enthusiastic way, like
Got
a way
you.
that catches your attention. Yeah.
Got
Then
you.
you're there, and then you're like, yeah, okay, good. I got my buddy next to me. You know, this shit
Got
would
you.
be cool.
All right. So look, um, I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and both our name is William. So appreciate you for answering my question, bro. Hope you have a good day at work, bro. Be safe, bro, cause I ain't gonna lie, working at 90 degrees
Yeah,
is
no, dude, it's
crazy,
hard.
bro. Yeah, working 90 degrees
All
is
right, bro.
crazy. So be
I'll
safe
catch
and
you
thank
later.
you, bro.
Yeah, man, you too.
You too.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Come on, bro. I hope you're
You
doing
too.
all right though. Bullshit. Yo, what's good?
Yo, what's up? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Where you
Good.
from?
I'm from Texas.
You from Texas? Ain't no way you from Texas.
Yeah, I'm from Texas.
Why does it say Virginia?
I don't know why I say Virginia, but I'm from Texas though.
Are you from Texas? Are you a content creator?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a content creator, but I'm not filming right now, so feel me?
Oh.
I'm just
I
chilling.
think I seen you. I think I seen you on TikTok.
Swear.
I swear. Do you have TikTok?
Yeah, my name She Love Will One on there.
You gotta add me. You gotta add me. You gotta add me on Snapchat or something. Cause
Add you?
yeah.
Hey, if I add you on Snapchat, will you sub to my YouTube channel?
Of course I will. I support everyone.
All right, bet. So, what's your snap?
Right here. This is my code.
You said code. Oh, we're doing the code. This don't work. Oh, it worked. I got it.
But yeah, but you know, we could definitely chat it up through Snap and TikTok. I'll probably find you on TikTok again because I've seen your face before.
For real,
You're
that's
familiar.
crazy. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. Hey, but my YouTube channel is Will FM all together.
Real life fam.
Will FM.
Just send it to me on Snapchat because the volume is like really low. So
All right, all right. I got a question for you though.
yeah.
So, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
What you said again?
I said, if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
Mm, that's a good question. I don't know how to answer that question honestly.
It could be anything. Or what would you teach it to do?
Mm,
Yo, what's good with you?
Yo, what's good?
You got it. You got something to play?
I can.
Yeah, play me something real quick. Let me hear something.
Alright. Um, sitting all alone, now a fool gone in the driveway. My friends aren't far in the back of my car, with their bodies. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Where's
But she's
my
going crazy.
mind? Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover.
Yo!
Expensive fate. My V is for vendetta. Said I never met you, but now I got affiliate.
That's it, bro. You went crazy, bruh. Yo, you went crazy, bruh. You went crazy. Do you don't post videos of you playing the guitar?
I make music. I got 3
Whoa.
albums and an EP out right now.
What's your name? Like, how can I find you?
I got SoundCloud right now.
SoundCloud. What's your SoundCloud name?
It's Millie G, all caps.
Millie G, all caps. Okay, I'm gonna put you in my notes, and I'm gonna get on SoundCloud and listen to you. Millie G, all caps. All right, so look, I got a question for you.
What's up?
All right, so if you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say and why?
If I had a fuck off, definitely.
That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good one. So look, I am doing the YouTube video right now. So by you playing that, the people will get to see you. Whatever you just played, whatever song that was, it is gonna be on YouTube. So thank you. Hey, thank you for doing that. You like my best video. Like for real. Like you like my best little chat I didn't have like all video. So thank you. So shout out to you. Keep doing your music. Never give up. And just you know what I'm saying, keep getting better every day.
Same to you.
Thank
Don't
you.
give up.
W ending? W ending? W. Alright, I already know you ain't gotta say it. W ending, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, she went crazy. That look-y surprised me. I didn't think she could like really play the guitar like that or sing. She got a little, you know what I'm saying, a little country singing. Like, it's really tough for real. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to her. Hope she do good in music. But other than that, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Will FM if you new. And tell your mom, your grandma, your cousin, your friends to come subscribe as well. You feel me? But other than that, thank y'all for watching this video. If you got to the end of the video, and I see y'all. Peace.
See the kid get older, forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. Can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the